Today I am solving problem of simply separated beam. This simply separated beam having the reactions here RA, RB. First I will convert into a point load because there is UDL exist in a simply supported. Load RA, A at RA, reaction force 2 meter, downward 4 kilonewton at C, 1 meter, D exactly at the center 2 into 4 and 2 meter this side and 2 meter this side, half of it will be 8 kilonewton at E. This E, F 8 kilonewton Newton. There is a reaction RB at B. First, in order to find the reaction forces, we have to do the sum of the vertical force is equal to 0. Now downward I will consider as positive, upward negative, sagging that is smiling face positive, hogging side place negative, bending bar. Now sum of the vertical forces is equal to 0. In order to find out the reaction, this is the reaction RA minus RA, because this upward direction I will consider as a minus RA plus 4 plus 8 plus 8 minus RB is equal to 0. RA plus RB minus taken as common minus this side, and this becomes 20 minus minus get cancelled. This is RA plus RB is equal to 20 kilonewton, equation 1. Now we have to find out the reaction values. Therefore I will take the moment about A, 0, taking moment about A, taking moment about A. Now this one positive sign, it is anti-clockwise, moving anti-clockwise. Now I am going to fix this part. RB plus total distance 2 meter 1 meter, total distance. Now total distance, count the total distance here, 1 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 1 plus 2 plus 1 1 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 1 2. Next minus 8 downward, minus 8 into distance, 8 into 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 1 plus 2. Next this part, minus 8 into this distance, that is 2 plus 1 plus 2. Next minus 4 into 2 is equal to 0. Therefore RB is equal to into 10, and this term has to be brought this side, it becomes 120. If we calculate and move the term this side, it becomes 120. Therefore RB will be 120 divided by 10, 12 kilonewton. We got the RB. Substitute this value in equation 1. RA plus 12 into 20. RA is equal to 20 minus 12 is nothing but 8 kilonewton. Therefore RA is nothing but 8 kilonewton. RB is nothing but 12 kilonewton. Now find out the shear force. Now we are going to find out the shear force. Shear force at, because there is a downward load acting, therefore you have to consider as right and left. First I will go for right, this side, right, at B, right, no force, no intensity, 0. SF at B on left, bottom force, that is minus 12, because we have taken a bottom arrow is negative. Next at F, again right and left, F right side, again previous value 12 only. Next this side, SF at F left 12 plus 8, it will be minus 4. Now at E there is no load, therefore single letter. At F at E will be previous value, minus 4. At D, SF at D, again there is a single letter because there is no point load acting. That is minus 4 and this part plus 8, it will be 4 kilonewton. 4 kilonewton. Now at C, again left and right, again right and left. C, right side, the previous value 4 kilonewton. On left, SFC on left, 4 plus 4, it will be 8 kilonewton. Again at SF at A, right side, the previous value 8 kilonewton. SF at A, left side, 8 minus 8 is equal to 0. Now draw. SFD, the above is positive and downward is negative. The first is 0, 0. At A there are 2 points, 0 and 8, positive 8, 8, 8. Next at C, 8 and 4, 8, 8 and 4. At D, 4 and minus 4. At D, 4 and minus 4. Sorry, at D it is 4, at E is minus 4. Minus 4. On F, minus 4. Again there is 12 on F, minus 12. Minus 12 on B and 0. Now draw the line, straight line, downward straight line because there is no UDL here. If it is UDL, inclined line. Again there is a straight line. Now this is the shear force diagram. Negative, negative, positive, positive, positive. Now we are going for bending moment. Bending moment. Now bending moment at A. I will take from the left side. Bending moment about A. That means this total. RB we know 12. 12 into total distance. Total distance will be 10, 6, 8, 9, 10. Next minus 8 into distance, minus 8 into distance, this distance is 9. Minus 8 into this distance, 5. Minus 4 into 1. Sorry, minus 4 into 2. If you calculate, answer will be 0. Now I will go for bending moment at C. C, 12. 12 into total distance, 1, 6, 7, 8. Minus 8 into distance, 7. Minus 8 into 3. Answer is 16 kilonewton meter. Next, bending moment about D. About D, 12 into distance, 7. Minus 8 into 6. 8 into 6. Next, minus 8 into 2. Minus 8 into 2. Answer is 20 kilonewton meter. Similarly, at E, bending moment at E, 12 into 3 minus 8 into 2. Answer is 20 kilonewton meter. bending moment at F 12 into 1, that is 12 kilonewton meter, and bending moment at B will be 0. Now draw the bending moment. Everything is positive here. Above is positive, below is negative. BMD. First is 0 at A is 0, at C will be 16 kilonewton meter, again 20 kilonewton meter, next again 20 kilonewton meter, at E it is 20, E is 20, 16, 20, at E, F will be 12, little bit below the 16, 12 kilonewton meter and 0. Here it is a straight line because there is no UDL here. Again straight line, there is a UDL, therefore parabola. Straight line, there is no UDL, straight line. Positive, 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 positive. We have to find out the distance x here. How to find out x? In this way you can write it. Just you have to consider 4 here. This is the distance x. This distance will be what? 4 minus x. This distance will be 4 minus x. Here I have to refer this point, 4 minus x. And this value will be 4. Don't consider the minus sign. You have to consider only the value here. Now x divided by 4 is equal to 4 minus x divided by 4. With the help of calculator you can solve it. Alpha x divided by 4 minus alpha x divided by 4, shift solve, is equal to x value will be 2. Here this is distance will be 2. If this is 2, then this also 2. The total distance from the left side will be 2 plus 1 plus 2, that is 5 meter. Now therefore the shear force is cutting from the positive negative. Therefore as it cuts, the shear force becomes 0. When the shear force is 0, it will be maximum bending. You have to find out the maximum bending. Here you have to find out the B max. How to find out B max? You have to find out the triangle, area of the triangle. You have to find out. This is 4 and this will be 2. 1 by 2 into 4 into 2. You will get the area of triangle. That is 4. Area of triangle 4, and that 4 has to be plus 20. You have to do it in order to get bending moment. 20 plus 4 is nothing but 24 kilonewton meter. The maximum bending moment is 24 kilonewton meter. This is positive side, therefore I have taken a positive. If it is negative side, I have to take negative here. In this way you have to solve the problem.